it's Maggie. Today I'm in Puyallup and I'm going to show you this home that is our newest listing this week. So Puyallup is like 30 to 40 minutes to Bellevue or Seattle. It actually hosts the Washington State Fair every year. So it has a lot of restaurants and shopping centers. So this home was built in 1967, but then it was rebuilt in 2013. And this time around, before we listed it, the seller actually renovated the whole place. And the home is very big. It's 4,500 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and the lot size is 0.6 acre. It actually is a corner unit in this whole neighborhood. Let's go and take a look. Coming to the home is actually really bright because of the new renovation and the white paint everywhere. Although the ceiling height is only 8 feet, it actually feels pretty open. But let's take a look at the kitchen area. Well, because the home was built in 1967 originally, so it's not like a whole open concept. But for this area, the family room, the kitchen, and the dining room is pretty open here. The seller actually added a new island and uses all the white cabinet and then the white quartz countertop, pretty thick, and it has really beautiful pattern on the countertop. And the stove is GE, it uses gas, and it has a pretty good range hood that is vented out. So you don't need to worry about cooking big dishes. Here is the dining area. It's not very big, but with a round table, I think you can fit in 6 to 8 people here, no problem. From the patio door here, you actually get access to the huge deck. Because it's raining right now, we're not going to go outside now, but we did take a lot of videos, so you can take a look. Next to the kitchen area, it's a huge laundry room. New washer and dryer, a lot of storage places, and very beautiful countertop for, folding your clothes and stuff. I think it's very beautifully designed. On the other side, there is this office. So it's not very big, but I love the windows here, brings a lot of natural light. And then you also have another top window on this side. You can fit in a pretty big desk and some bookshelves, no problem. And then next to the office, here is another family room. So you can make it like a TV room, media room, or any kind of bonus room that you want to make it to. It is pretty big, and I like the shape of it. It's pretty squarish. And you also have this big Victoria window here. From this window, if the weather is really good, you can actually see Mount Rainier through the trees. But anyway, it brings really good natural light all year long. Let's go take a look at the 4 bedrooms on the second floor. Let's take a look at the master bedroom on one side. So coming in, the room is really, really big. This is a queen size bed, and it feels like, really small bed in this huge room. So you can have king size bed and big nightstand, couch, shelves. It's just very spacious. From the this window, you can also, when the weather is good, you can also see Mount Rainier, and it's facing east and south. So it brings in a lot of natural light. Let's take a look at the master bathroom here. So it's very white, all white tiles, white countertops and cabinet. It also has a huge standalone bathtub. I think it can fit 2 people, no problem. On the other side, there is a shower room that's also renovated, white tiles and glass doors. Beautiful. So on the other side, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is a full bath. And then there's another bathroom in this bedroom. Let's take a look at this one. As a guest bedroom, this is really big again. And it has a huge walk-in closet. It also has its own bathroom that's shared with another guest bedroom. It's all renovated, white tiles, white countertop, very bright. And this guest bedroom is almost as the same size as the other one. And on this side, actually, all the windows are facing southeast, so you can actually see Mount Rainier's when the weather is pretty good. It actually has a second kitchen, a bonus room, and another bedroom. Let's go and check it out. So here is the basement. It actually has a second kitchen and a pretty big family room right here. So the second kitchen uses mainly the same material with the first kitchen. The only difference is this is not a gas stove anymore, it's an electric stove, but it's easy to change. And then there's no range hood, but if you want to add one, it's actually pretty easy to do. And the wall is right there, so you can actually add that vent right here. This way we can go to take a look at the bedroom. So here is a powder room, and then moving in, you can see there's a small seating area, or you can make it a second family room. Let's take a look at the bedroom here. The bedroom itself is not that big. It does have two side windows, but of course the natural light is not as good as the top floor. But it does have a really big bathroom, so it feels like a second master bedroom here. So you can add another set of laundry if you do want to rent it out or make it a mother-in-law unit, you can. This can be very convenient. And tiles, new shower room, glass doors, everything looks pretty similar to the bathrooms upstairs. This is really a huge house, and it's fully renovated, move-in ready. If you do want to make it like an investment property, it's a great opportunity as well because it does have the second kitchen and it does have the separate access. And we just checked, the price per square footage is only $200. In Greater Seattle area, if you want a move-in ready, fully renovated home, this is a great opportunity. If you have any questions in buying and selling real estate in Seattle area, reach out. I'm here to help. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.